Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on JustMarkets. And for this we have here the Bitcoin chart opened on the web trader from MetaTrader 5 on the JustMarkets website, and we want to take profit. So we click right here on new order and then select here the amount of Bitcoin that we want to buy or the volume. And then after that, we select here take profit. And then from now we can fill in right here the amount of the price range where we want to take profit, because take profit means that when he will hit that amount of money or a price range, he will close the trade and will take the profit that we created. So we can also take this line and put it somewhere like there or there. But once you find a nice amount or a nice balance where you want to take this line at, we can place it right here. And then after that, we click now on buy by market. And now we just created a nice order with a take profit, because if you scroll down right here, you will see here the trades with the TP, that means take profit, standing on this price. So this is how you can take profit on JustMarkets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.